Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation that we're having over here about the tech that you love. Today we're taking a look at the dbrand grip. I picked it up here for the Pixel 2, the Pixel XL, and the Galaxy S8. Let's go ahead and take a look. This is how the dbrand grip will come to you. On this side here, you'll have your addresses. On the side here are your identifications. So we got Pixel 2, I've got Pixel XL, and Samsung Galaxy S8. Inside each box, you'll find this insert card from dbrand. There may or may not be a skin, depending on what package or what combination you decide to get from dbrand, along with some additional instructions here. And of course, here is their packaging wrapped up in some bubble wrap. Let's go ahead and take this off. As I showed you guys before, I've been using the dbrand grip on my Pixel 2 here for the last week. I'll get more into this, but let's take a look at the packaging here and what comes inside for each of these phones. If you've watched any of my videos for any time, you know that I'm a big fan of really good packaging. It just adds to the experience, adds to the premiumness, and just overall look and feel of a brand. If a brand takes the time to do packaging well, I think it warrants our attention. So dbrand right here, nice dbrand branding here. Nothing on the back, just a plain box. They've done this kind of a funky cutout here for the lid. Let's go ahead and take this off. On the inside of the lid here, again, you're going to find some information here about the D3O technology, about the impact technology, revolutionary grip, carbon composite, and of course skin compatible. So we'll work with all their skins. So again, you can go to dbrand.com/elements and learn more there. Let's go ahead and put that up here. So on the inside, you are going to get the dbrand grip, which let's just be honest, it is it's a bumper, but it has that D3O technology in the corners here for impact protection there when you do drop your device. I read a statistic a few years back, it could be wrong. It says that about 86% of the time that you drop your phone, it's going to land on a corner. So it's good that they put that technology up here in the corners. As well, you're going to get some additional information from dbrand here, basically telling you where to go and how to get there and how to add on the grip there and whatnot. And for devices that have a headphone jack as well, they include this as well, because as you can see here, when you put the grip on, there's going to be some extra bulk here, so you want to be able to still plug this in and still use your headphone jack. You're going to get the same thing in here with the Pixel XL, the same thing with the iPhone 10, all devices and whatnot. Now I'm going to show you guys how to add on the grip. It's pretty straightforward. You want to just make sure that your buttons are lined up. So we got a power button here, of course volume up and down, and of course our lovely Bixby button here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the Galaxy S8 here. We're just going to insert it on the side that has the most buttons, and then just squeeze it in there, just like so. Volume rockers up and down, works quite well. You can see that the grip adds a little bit of a lip here at the top and bottom. So of course, if you put the phone on a flat surface, whether you put it this way or that way, and it is, I don't know if you guys can hear that, that sound. It is quite grippy. So yeah, I've actually seen this demonstration done in a few videos. Let's put this on here, and now it's beginning to slide. So yeah, I would say that's pretty grippy. So I've been pretty happy with it here on my Pixel XL. I've been using this on and off for the last couple weeks here. Obviously going out and taking pictures because the camera is so good here on the Pixel 2. And I've got to say, so here are my thoughts. Number one, I actually haven't dropped this yet, so I can't really speak to the drop protection, nor am I going to do a drop protection video. I don't want to risk it ruining any of my devices. If you guys want to see a drop protection video, go ahead and check out the other videos on YouTube. There's plenty other creators out there that have done that, and I think it does speak well to the product there. It does hold up. Yes, the dbrand grip does add a little bit of extra bulk and whatnot. I'm not a big fan myself. I might use it in different circumstances and whatnot. As you guys know, I'm a bit of a minimalist here. Here's my Galaxy S9 Plus, and as you can see here, I just have a basic clear case that's on here. I like to keep it as minimal as possible because I am relatively careful with my devices. But if you do need some extra drop protection, this might be the way to go. So speaking of bulkiness and whatnot, here it is on the Pixel XL, which is already a very wide device. I mean, I have big hands, and even I have trouble, you can see, getting my finger all the way over there if I need to or whatnot. So you know, it's something to take into consideration when you are looking. Overall, I would say, you know, it's a great choice. It is a good value. The packaging, the overall presentation by dbrand is very well done. You know, I know you guys see a lot of dbrand all over YouTube and whatnot with sponsorships and whatnot, but I think they've done a really good job here, you know, bringing out a case, if you will, a bumper that's unique, that's different, that uses some, you know, impact technology and whatnot. So it's definitely something for you guys to take a look at. So to wrap things up here, should you get the dbrand grip? I'm going to say yes, as long as you don't mind a little bit of extra bulk. It's going to give you that protection. You're going to get the raised corners here. You're going to get the raised edges, and you're going to be able to keep the overall look and feel of your device. If you don't mind the kind of industrial hard look that it has, you know, it's a great choice. Otherwise, you may want to look at a different type of case. But overall, I'm going to say it's great value. And again, I said this before, kudos to dbrand and their packaging. I really enjoyed the packaging experience. You know, some people, whatever, it comes in a box, they throw it away. For myself, I'm gonna be putting this on display in my office and whatnot just because it's cool. I think it stands out really well. So, you know, good job, dbrand. So let's leave it to you guys. Let's have a conversation down in the comment section there. Let me know what you think of dbrand grip. Have you decided to pick up one? Do you already have one? Your thoughts and opinions on it. Let's have a discussion. Remember, make sure you're attacking the opinion and not the person who's putting it down there. Let's have a good conversation. If you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. It would be appreciated. Think about hitting the subscribe button as well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.